Welcome to Ristorante Montecorvo, a hidden gem nestled in the scenic hills of Forio, on the beautiful island of Ischia. This charming restaurant offers a warm, rustic atmosphere surrounded by lush greenery and Mediterranean beauty, providing the perfect setting for a memorable dining experience. The star of Montecorvo's menu is their fabulous rabbit, a traditional Ischian speciality, and Bucatini with rabbit sauce. So let's see how these traditional recipes are cooked in this restaurant.
Today we are going to prepare the typical dish of the islands, Ischia, which is the rabbit. Here we have the rabbit growth here in Ischia, with herbs. Here we have the ingredients. First of all the aromas. We have a chopped parsley, chopped basil, pipernia. Pipernia is a special, very aromatic herb of the island. Wild herb. Some chili. The cherry tomatoes. From your garden. From our garden. And white one. Then we're going to roast on bottom side the rabbit in this pot. And then we just olive oil, and now we put also some garlic. After it, we're gonna add all the ingredients plus the white wine.
Slow cooked to perfection with fragrant herbs, spices, and locally sourced ingredients, this dish is a celebration of flavors that capture the essence of the island's culinary heritage. It's tender, rich, and full of the vibrant aromas of southern Italy.
Now when the rabbit is roasted on both of the sides, the chef is going to add the aromas. Right. It's a dish that needs lots of aromas. And then after it, some cherry tomato. Not too much, because in the end the sauce needs to be a bit brown and not very saucy and not very red. So, and then the Ischia wine. After it, we cover it. We wait 50 minutes more or less, and we'll be ready. Here our chef prepared the Bucatini, large spaghetti, just dressed with the rabbit sauce that we are preparing. It's a very typical dish. Usually every Sunday in Ischia the families having pasta with rabbit sauce, and then the rabbit with a mix of side dishes, vegetables, potato, salads. It's really tasty. You can put some extra parmesan on top, and it's something to try when you're in Ischia.
Whether you're a local or a traveler, Ristorante Montecorvo promises an authentic taste of Ischia, where every bite tells a story of tradition, passion, and flavor.